we are continuing to see demand and usage and good feedback from our customers that their customers want large machines, large capacity, 60 pound, 80 pound, 100 pound. And when you're talking about a 100-pound machine, you're not talking just a few thousand, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars expense. And it's very hard for somebody to buy one machine. I could buy 4 other ones. What we are seeing and the feedback we are getting is that those machines customers are waiting in line for. And it'll be your highest profitability, your revenue per load will be the greatest, and again, your gross profit will be the largest because the utilities required to run that 100-pound is not that much more significant than even a 60-pound load. So encourage you when you're looking at retooling a laundromat that you figure out a way to put these larger machines in and know that they are going to get used and they will be very profitable for you. They'll come in and they load them up. They load them up. They love the idea of just putting everything in one big load and hitting start and being done, getting in and out of that laundromat super quick. It is a little puzzling to me because frankly, they don't load them to full capacity like they should and could, but that's what they're waiting in line for. And you know what? Give the customers what they ask for. We're definitely seeing that trend as well, where majority of what we're selling in today's world used to be 30-pound stack dryers, 2 pockets, 30 pounds each. Now we're seeing 45-pound capacity stack dryers. We are seeing 75-pound tumble dryers going in. So they're very large baskets that can handle the loads coming out of these larger machines. It does take a little bit of effort when you're getting close to 100-pound capacity to teach customers maybe they should split those loads up, even with those larger dryers. But yes, if you upsize your washers, you should definitely keep your dryers sized up as well so that you don't have a bottleneck where people got everything washed and they can't get it dry and they're waiting for dryers. It's very frustrating for customers.